Hi everyone, are you getting the cannot find Uninstall.exe error while trying to uninstall a program or game in Windows 11? So this error usually happens when the uninstall file is missing, corrupted or deleted. So let's see how you can fix this error in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for Registry editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry path from there. Paste it in the address bar of Registry editor and hit enter. Now the keys under uninstall are all the installed programs on your PC. You need to click on the keys and match the display name with the software, app or game you are facing the issue with. In my case, it's the Microsoft Copilot. You can verify the name of the game or app from the installed apps also. Once verified, simply delete this key from the registry editor. Now close this window, and if you go to installed apps, you will see that the program will get removed automatically. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.